The climate in Ireland is mild and temperate, but it can be very changeable. The weather often changes during the day, so it's common to experience rain, wind, and sunshine all in one day. Ireland doesn't have extreme temperatures, and the weather is usually not too hot or too cold. In Ireland, winters are generally cool but not freezing. Temperatures rarely go below 0 degrees Celsius, and snow is not very common, although it can happen in some parts of the country, especially in the mountains. Summer temperatures are usually mild, with temperatures around 15 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius. It is rarely very hot in Ireland, and many people find the summer temperatures comfortable. Rain is common in Ireland throughout the year. The west of the country, especially in places like Galway and Limerick, gets the most rain. It can rain almost every day in these areas, but the rain is usually light and not too heavy. The east of Ireland, including Dublin, tends to be a little drier, but it still gets rain. The wind is also an important part of Ireland's weather. It can be quite windy, especially in coastal areas. In the winter, strong winds can make the weather feel even colder. The winds from the Atlantic Ocean bring a lot of moisture, which is why Ireland has so much rain and cloudy weather. Although Ireland is known for its cloudy and rainy weather, it also has many beautiful sunny days, especially in the spring and summer. The green landscapes in Ireland are a result of the frequent rain, and the country is famous for its beautiful countryside, hills, and fields. Overall, the climate in Ireland is mild and unpredictable. It's important to always be prepared for changing weather, and carrying an umbrella or a raincoat is a good idea.